Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Easy. Today we are diving into the seventh type of question in our exam series. This time we'll be tackling problems on rearranging formulae, which is an essential skill for your exam success. Let's get started. Now, we've already done one style of questions earlier, and this is the second style. These type of questions with a fraction like 1 over x and 1 over y is equal to 1 over z, and the question is to make x the subject. Now there are two different ways of doing these type of questions, so let's do it in one way. So the question is to make x the subject. Now I don't need the other term here, 1 over y. Now I'm going to move that full term to the other side. So I can get 1 over x is equal to 1 over z take away 1 over y. Now, many people struggle with this simplification from this point onwards, but simply think about this like any other fraction question. Now, imagine if you had 1 over 7 take away 1 over 9. What would you do? So to get the LCM, you would multiply this one by 9, top and bottom, and you will multiply this one by 7, this one by 7. Now you get 63 in the denominator and you can solve it. Now we are going to do exactly the same thing here as well. So all we need to do is we need to just swap them and multiply. So let's multiply this one by y and the top one by y, and this one by z and the top one by z. So we get 1 over x is equal to zy is the common denominator. At the top you get 1 y take away z. Now I need to make x the subject, not 1 over x. Well, that's quite easy. So I can take the reciprocal of both sides. So take reciprocal on both sides. Now 1 over x becomes x over 1, or just x. zy goes to the top, y take away z, and this is the final answer. So there is another method of doing this, which is using the LCM of all of these numbers and multiplying the full thing. But I think for this video, let's just stick to one method for the time being. So whatever the letter you need to find, leave it on the side, on the left hand side, move the other term, and then get the common denominator and take the reciprocal at the end. Pause the video, and if you want to have a quick look at it or even write it down, you can write it down, and then we'll try a question. Here's a question for you to do. Please pause the video and give it a try. Here you can see the correct answer. Like before, move 1 over b to the other side, multiply the first fraction by b, both numerator and denominator, and same thing on the right hand side with c, and then you get 1 over a equals b minus c over bc, and then all you need to do is take the reciprocal on both sides. So a is equal to bc over b take away c. Let's try another question. Here is the last question for you to try. Please pause the video and give it a try. Here is the correct answer.